Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredibly easy cupcake recipe. Let's get our milk mixture ready. You can dissolve milk powder in warm water, or if you prefer, fresh milk works perfectly too. Just set that aside for now. Next up, we need 65 grams of flour. Add your baking powder to it and give it a good sift to make sure everything is nicely combined. Then, in a bowl on a scale, combine 60 grams of butter with your sugar. Whisk it vigorously until it's light and creamy. After that, add 50 grams of egg to the mixture and incorporate it fully. Next, add the sifted flour mix and the prepared milk mix, alternating between them and mixing well. Then add a splash of vanilla essence and mix everything thoroughly. Next, place your baking liners in the muffin tray. And use a spoon to pour the batter in, leveling the surface nicely. Now, before we mix anything else, remember to preheat your oven for 20 minutes. Bake these cupcakes in the oven for 25 minutes. take them out and check with a toothpick, you'll find them beautifully risen, fragrant, and incredibly soft when you break them apart. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your baking enthusiast friends. Drop a comment below and let me know how your cupcakes turned out. I'd love to hear from you.